Hello everyone, this is now our video lessons in English for Quarter 2, Week 4 and 5. The reference that I am using is from Rainbows in English 4 book. This lesson can be found on page 94. Your teacher, Ray D. Montesilio. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to use the singular and plural forms of nouns. Please prepare the following: ball pen and paper. This is a sample worksheet paper that you are going to use. Now for today's lesson, we will learn the plural forms of nouns. This lesson can be found on page 94. Let's have first a review. What is noun? It is a name of a person, place, things, and events. Nouns have their singular and plural forms. Example, this column is for singular. This column also is for plural, as well as to the other corner. For singular, we have the word crab. It will become crabs. Pan, it will become pans. Tree, it will become trees. Cake, it will become cakes. And toy, it will become toys. Again, this column is for singular and this column is for plural. And to the other corner, singular. Piano, it will become pianos. Filipino, it will become Filipinos. Ilocano, it will become Ilocanos. Visayan, change to Visayans. And cliff, it will become cliffs. Once again, this is a singular column and a plural column. Now, let's proceed to more examples and explanation. Plural nouns. Now, we have here first regular nouns. Just add S if you have a regular noun. Example, one car, two cars. One dog, two dogs. One book, two books. One house, two houses. One apple, two apples. Now, how about the noun that ends in S, CH, SH, X, or Z? Just automatically add ES. For example, bus, buses, match, matches, dish, dishes, box, boxes, quiz, quizzes. And how about a noun that ends in F or FE? Just remove F or FE and then add VES. Example, leaf, leaves, wolf, wolves, life, lives, knife, knives. But we have our exceptions. Roof, just remain into roofs. Cliff, cliffs. How about the noun ends in vowel plus Y? Just add S. Example, day, days. Key, keys. Boy, boys. Guy, guys. Donkey, donkeys. How about the noun that ends in consonant plus Y? Just remove Y and then add IES. Example, city, cities. Baby, babies. Story, stories. Party, parties. Country, countries. Now, let's proceed to the next. We have irregular nouns. Why irregular nouns? Because it changes their spelling. For example, man, men, child, children, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, person, people. How about noun that ends in vowel plus O? Just add S. Example, zoo, zoos. Radio, radius. Stereo, stereos. Video, videos. Kangaroo, kangaroos. How about noun ends in consonant plus O? Just add ES. Example, hero, heroes. Echo, echoes, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes. And we have our exceptions. Like for example, piano, it will become pianos. Photo, it will become photos. Now, a noun that has no change, example, sheep, still sheep. Deer, still deer. Fish, still fish. For example, one fish, two fish. Series, series. Species, species. Okay, just like that. I hope that you have learned something in our lesson, which is plural nouns. Now let's try to test yourself. Use your own paper, copy, and answer. This activity can be found on page 97. Just give the missing form of each noun. You have to answer 1 up to 20. For your second activity, just answer directly. Test B only. This activity can be found on page 98. Just complete the paragraph with the correct form of the nouns in the box. You have to answer 1 up to 10. Always remember class, please keep your worksheets and pass it on the next submission every Monday. Video lesson has ended. Thank you for listening and goodbye.